Initial look. Look at the filter area, there is mud and scaling too. How to clean filter area. Make a cleaner using 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 2 to 3 teaspoons of vinegar. Mix well, then apply with brush on filter scaling area. Now remove the tub base cover using a screwdriver. Look at the mud and scaling under it. And also on the cover backside. How to clean it. Apply Harpic. And use a brush to clean it easily. Next, screw back the tub inner cover and install the filters. Close the lid and switch on the machine. Press program and DIY buttons simultaneously. CH will appear on screen. Then press the start button. It will start the automatic tub cleaning process. Add the ingredients when the tub is full by pausing the program. And the ingredients are: half cup of baking soda, 1 cup of vinegar, and half a cup of dishwasher. Then close the lid and start the program. It will start washing. The complete process is approximately 12 hours. It is still now, and stay still till the last hour. In the last hour it will start washing for approximately 20 minutes. Then rinse. And spin. Then again completely fill the tub, wash it, then rinse. And finally spin for approximately 10 minutes. Final look. Looking better and ready for fine clothes cleaning in future. Thanks for watching.